Here's the BJP holding a protest in Mumbai, which is led by former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis over Uddhav Thackeray government's handling of the COVID-19 crisis. Several allegations being hurled about mismanagement. Let's quickly go over to our reporter, Mustafa Sheikh, joining us for more details. Mustafa, go on. Here's a pandemic, a crisis which the state government is grappling with. The opposition comes forward to protest, wearing black bands, black masks, placards. What is their contention here?
Correct. The protest is by the BJP Maharashtra. At this point of time, we are outside the Mumbai office of BJP. Live visuals we are showing you a former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis who is present here, and adding to which there are other BJP leaders who are present. They have clearly mentioned that the way in Maharashtra COVID-19 crisis has been handled, and they've given cited the example of Kerala and how Kerala has recovered and decreased the number of cases, which Mumbai has not been able to do. So these are the things which they have highlighted. They are saying that there is a mismanagement in districts like Aurangabad, Malegaon, where people are not getting treatment. Even in Mumbai, they are not finding hospital beds. So these are the allegations being hurled. The government is saying this is not the time, but you can see that this is the first protest, must be most likely in India, which is happening, a political protest after the lockdown, after the COVID-19 times, and maintaining social distancing. Now they are preparing to give interviews. So this is also to show you how future political protests may look like. But this is the first protest being done in Mumbai, given the crisis being worst and Mumbai being the hotbed and Maharashtra reporting number of increased cases. BJP in Maharashtra holding this protest out in Mumbai at this point of time. Back to you.
Right, Mustafa, a protest is great. Of course, this is a time to highlight discrepancies in the management of COVID-19 outbreak. Have they highlighted any specific points, and is the opposition trying to be constructive and aid in operation here to ensure that Mumbaikars and people of Maharashtra are helped and less of a political stunt here?
Well, that is a contention which is being argued, that whether this is the right time to protest, but the Maharashtra opposition has taken this stand of going ahead and protesting, maintaining social distancing. But this is also a right that nowhere in the world else that would have been seen that in one nation there are political parties protesting against other states, cases increasing. But now, as Devendra Fadnavis speaks, he would clear his stand, he would clear his party's stand as to what they think was the importance of this protest and doing this protest in the times of lockdown and COVID-19. Back to you.
Maharashtra, their cases only on the rise. It's quite clear that the state government is finding it hard, it appears, to ensure the containment of this spread. We're going to be listening to Devendra Fadnavis in just a little while from now on the points that they want to ponder upon, accusing the state government of not living up to expectation.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.